In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Now, we all love the convenience of buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace, but sometimes you simply need to remove a listing for good, perhaps because the item has been sold or you've decided against selling it. Follow along as I guide you through this straightforward process. First, you'll need to go to Facebook. You can do this by opening your web browser or app and logging into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for the Settings and Privacy option. This is your first stop on the journey to cleaning up your marketplace listings. To find this, look for a little arrow at the top right of the Facebook page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where Settings and Privacy should be listed. Once you've clicked on Settings and Privacy, you'll want to head over to the Activity Log. The Activity Log is essentially Facebook's way of letting you track and manage everything you've done on the platform. Think of it as your own personal Facebook historian, keeping records of interaction and posts. From here, click on Your Facebook Activity. This section is a detailed overview of your activity, including posts, comments, and that all-important marketplace activity. The interface may look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to focus only on what's necessary to delete your listing. Now it's time to look specifically for Facebook Marketplace in your activity log. By selecting this, you'll be able to see every listing you've posted on Marketplace. This includes your live listings and any past activities you might have archived or marked sold. Scroll through and locate the specific listing you want to delete. With the listing in sight, you're going to click on the three dots beside it. This is the gateway to additional actions for each listing. When you click these dots, a menu will pop up. There, you're presented with a number of options, and what you're looking for here is the delete option. After clicking delete, there will usually be a confirmation step. Facebook wants to make sure you're certain about deleting the listing, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Confirm your choice to free your marketplace profile from that listing forever. And there you have it. You've now permanently deleted a listing from your Facebook Marketplace. This method ensures your past listings won't clutter your profile unnecessarily. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos.